So my name is Fabreena Napier. I'm a physician, but most importantly, I'm a mother of three. I have three children, 17, 14, and 10. And my youngest daughter, Avia, and she's been recently introduced to Rosie through Edie. Edie's a very good, family friend of ours, and she's really passionate about teaching. She has two younger kids as well. My daughter is around my daughter's same age, so they often play together. So she started inviting us over to Avia over to STEM play dates. And that's how we kind of got introduced to Rosie, which is great. My daughter goes over there for regular play dates, but then she started incorporating STEM in the play dates. And I think it gets everyone excited. I mean, it's one thing to do STEM with your own kids, but to create a play date and something that the friends can come over. And I think with anyone, if you work in groups, you kind of feed off of each other. The things that Rosie is really introducing her to is beyond what she's learning in school. I think she's talking about kinetic and potential energy, but Rosie's introduced her to so much more. Just opening up her horizons really early on and giving her that exposure is really just wonderful. It's a great opportunity for her to learn. And then, she comes home, she's very proud of her work. And then she's learning a lot of vocabulary. And I think she's very excited also because of her peers. She's involved with this activity with people that she loves. She loves Edie, she loves Edie's two daughters. And it's just a great time of fun and learning. And I think that a lot of times she doesn't really think of it as learning. She thinks of it more as fun, which which is good too. I think if you find the things that you're exploring and working on fun, then that's like half the battle, right?